How to join Onpassive. With a wide range of business automation services, Onpassive help businesses to grow from simple beginnings to game-changing success. Here's how to join the force of one of the best marketing platform, Onpassive. Here are a few things to know before joining Onpassive. Sign up via GoFounders. You can sign up to be a founder member of Onpassive via GoFounder, and the program automatically places you to an op admin. If you have your inviter, you can use the link provided by them and register to be a member of GoFounders. The system offers a forced matrix structure, i.e., 3x10 matrix. The founder's position is filled according to the date of joining the system, and the number personally sponsored paid founders. There are two ways of joining Onpassive. One is through direct sign-up as explained above, and the other is through invitation. Direct sign-up, you can directly register on the Onpassive website and get an invitation link from one of the sponsors. Visit Onpassive, click on Become a Founder now. You will be redirected to registration page. Sign up via invitation, you can have someone invite you to join. If you have a sponsor and have shared the invitation link with you, make sure that their name is mentioned above the page. Ask your sponsor to resend the link if their name isn't on the page. Onpassive founder. So here you received the registration link from your friend. Just straight away, click on the registration link. The website will appear. So make sure you are invited by your friend. You can see the name on top of the website. If you want to read the website, you can breathe or straight. We click Become a Founded now to register, so it will appear registration form. Fit in your first name. Let's see, Rajesh Kumar. The last name is your father's name. So don't need to put bereavement, just your father's name. Is he a man? Then phone number. I see you are in India. 1,234,567,890. Your mobile number, email address. Make sure you fill in your active email address, your correct email address. I need the password. Bypass a password. ABCD 1234. Fill in your own password. Create your own password. Make sure your password is your private password. So if you don't want to forget it, so just write down on the paper. Select the country, so scroll down. If y'all India, slow down to in city India. Yeah. Enter caption number. Just follow the number in alphabet. And then click submit. Finish your registration. Whip until processing finish. It will take a few seconds. Just wait. Don't do anything, just wait. Patiently wait, no need to do anything. Sometime is very fast. Sometimes take a couple of minutes. So go to the email, your email inbox. And then I'll talk to you in times for registration. Click the link below to verify your email address. Congratulations, your email is successfully verified. So just click OK, and then anytime you can go back to your browse basic room into your email, you can log in with your email address that you have registered with Invasive GoFounders and then put your password ABCD 1234. Click Login. Very slow. OK, here open. So the system requires you to pay $97. So you see down below the payment method, so you can pay with Bitcoin payment on credit card. So if you want to be with me, you who knows about becoming Campus Way, we play with me funny, but it will take about 24 hours to activate your account. But if you pay with debit and credit cut, it will activate immediately. You can use, if you don't have a credit card, you can use your bank card, ATM card. Like my bank and ATM to pay with a debit card. Click here. Internet quotes lower. OK, when you click pay with debit card or credit card number and as for your date. OK, and then click pay now. Then let's see. I put the account number 1234567891231. I just type the number. This is example. Might be wrong. My second number it will detect. Make sure you typed exactly your Panama. I just want to show example here. I am so inspired. Deep. Let's see. Man 12th 2023 CBC. A very important, you turn back your card. Fill in the same number as stated nearby the signature at the back side of your debit or credit card that said 3-to-1 and then click pay now. This is the will capture the payment and then you can open your back office of Thunder and you become a GoFounders. Congratulations. We are in it to win it. Future founder, thank you for watching videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.